Welcome to lesson number 4. Last time you learned kore, sore, are, and dore. Today we're going to talk about another koso ado set. Okay, let's talk about the differences between dore and docchi, which both mean which. This word is always plural, but dore can only be used when there are 3 or more things that we are asking about, while docchi is used when there are only 2 things. Now, what makes this a little bit confusing is that kore, sore, and are can be used when there's only one item. If I wanted to say that this is a pencil, no one's asking me if it's a pencil. They're not asking me which one is a pencil. I'm just telling you that this is a pencil. I can say, kore wa enpitsu desu. This is a pencil, right? There's only one thing here. I can say that this is a pencil. But if you are asking me, and I've got a marker and I've got a pencil, and you're asking me which one is a pencil, because I've only got 2 things here, you will use docchi. Enpitsu wa docchi desu ka? Which one is a pencil? And because you asked me a question, I would then respond with kochi desu, right? This one. Kochi, sochi, and achi is basically like saying this one, right? I've got 2. It's this one. This is the one that's a pencil. This one is. If there is no question, if no one has asked me which one is a pencil, and I just want to say that this is a pencil, I just want to say the sentence, I'm not going to use kochi. I'm going to use kore, right? Because kore can be used with only one. Kochi, sochi, and achi are very specifically used to answer the question docchi, right? Which of these 2 things is the thing that I'm asking about? Which one is it? It's this one of the 2. The same can be said when you're answering dore. If I have 4 things here and you want to know which one is a pencil, enpitsu wa dore desu ka? Which one of these things is a pencil? In this case, kore, this one. This one is a pencil. But kore, sore, and are can also be used by themselves. This applies specifically to asking questions. When asking questions, docchi is for only 2 items and dore is for 3 or more. If I'm answering a question that includes docchi, I'm going to respond with kochi, sochi, or achi. If I'm answering a question that is dore, then I'm going to respond with kore, sore, or are. I know that's a little confusing, so let's practice. Okay, there are 2 animals here. I want to ask you, which one is a cat? How can I ask this question? Which one of these animals is a cat? Which one of the 2 is a cat? Cat is our subject. Subject goes first. Then we have our question. So what would we say? Take a minute, think about it. Neko wa docchi desu ka? Which one is a cat? Which of these 2 things is a cat? We have to use docchi. If I wanted to answer, I would say neko wa kochi desu. This one is a cat. This time there are 3 things. These words come from your homework, so I hope you studied. If I want to say which one is an eye of these 3 things, which one is an eye? Eye is the subject. How do you say eye in Japanese? Me wa. Me wa dore desu ka? Which one is an eye? Here we have to use dore because there are 3 things. And which one is the eye? Kore desu. This one, right? Me wa kore desu. This is an eye. An eye is this. All right, let's talk about this one. So she's holding a tomato and an apple. And I'm asking her, which one is a vegetable? Right, you don't know how to say tomato yet, so we can't ask about the tomato specifically. So we can say, which one is a vegetable? Which one? Yasai wa docchi desu ka? Which one is a vegetable? Now, which one is the vegetable? She's holding them. She's far away from us. We're looking at her. They're close to her. So what can we say? Sochi wa yasai desu. That one is a vegetable. Now, we're kind of far away. We see two animals. The question is, inu wa docchi desu ka? Kind of far away, it's hard to tell. Which of these is a dog? Which one? Which one of the two is a dog? They're far away from us. So what can we say? Achi wa inu desu. Or inu wa achi desu. This one. This one is a dog. Okay, we're almost done. Let's do a quick kana review. Take a look at this character. What do you think it is? This is the one that you can kind of fill in the blanks. It looks like what it sounds like. It is ka, ka. How about this one? This is from the first lesson. You should know it by now. What is it? Eat. How about this one? Looks like a bird's mouth. Coop, coop. How about this one? Man, I could go for a cup of tea right now. Good thing I have a kettle. Kettle. How about this one? Oasis. How about this one? Exercise. I think this one's pretty easy, in my opinion. What do you think it is? Key. It looks like a key. This one's maybe a little tricky. What do you think? Colt, like a cola. And that's it. We are all done. We do have more homework because, once again, we have lots of grammar coming up next time. So take a picture, study it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.